Namaste friends, this is Arvind Ratan here. Basically, why I am doing this video is for people to understand more about my 21 days professional numerology course. Before going into that, just to give you a small introduction, those who don't know me deeply, I have been studying numerology since 2007. Numbers and numerology have fascinated me a lot, and I have done a dedicated research for over 11 years starting from 2007 on numerology itself, on many concepts. Still I am doing, even though I've stopped more of research work because I felt that I am having all the tools which is required to make one person successful or one company successful. There are some advanced research still going on, but most of my basic research is already done. And so to coming to straight to the training, everybody has a doubt what is a form of numerology I'm teaching, what is the concepts and other things. So basically I'll be teaching the base concept will be Chaldean numerology. Why I'm telling the base concept and not full concept is Chaldean numerology is one of the most accurate forms of numerology. So we have taken the number system and other concepts as the base. But you'll be learning more about my research concepts, my way of doing names, my way of doing calculations, and a lot of new concepts which are very new to the market. I just want to say only one thing here to give you a very big differentiator. There are many numerologists in the market who are changing names, who are adding K, who are adding R, or adding I, who are adding A, all these things. So let me tell you through my research, these kind of name changes hardly work, or if it works, the benefit is very less. What according to me is numerology is a form of vibration. When, just for an example, if let us take a name, Arun. If I saw somebody the other day, they did ARUNN. So you're going to call him Arun, right? You cannot call the double N. How can you call that? How can you vibrate the double N? This is the basic flaw which many people are doing, which is not correct. Or I'm not saying it's not, even though as a number system it is correct, the effect of this kind of numerology is very less. According to me, numerology is a vibration. Let us say the same name. If you take that Arun and if you add one A at the end, it becomes Aruna. So see the difference. Arun, Aruna. So there's a vibrational difference. So there are many basic concepts which people are not following correctly, for which people are not getting results. So my concept will be more on these kind of phonology concepts, syllables concepts, sound concept, and all into more of chronology. This will be a very big differentiator. Just for an example, okay, now let us take a name called Ashwin. Okay, if you see the name, the first word is ASH, Ash, okay, and next is Win, VI, Win. See, I know human behavior. When you hear positive words, you feel happy. When you hear negative words, you'll feel unhappy. You'll be learning a lot of these kind of concepts in my form of numerology, and trust me, it is going to be a wonderful experience. It is all going to be practical. All your doubts will be cleared spot on. There will be nothing pending before the next class going forward. This will be the concept which I'll be working on. If you guys are interested, let me know. There are certain prerequisites which I'll be mentioning before I taking up, and also the seats are limited because I don't want to crowd, and then because as you know, this is more of a professional training, so I'm only looking at a certain number only. So if you are guys interested, then just come on, pick up your phone, talk to me and understand more concepts, and then you can enroll yourself, because already many people have enrolled and there are only limited seats. Okay, looking forward for any other clarifications through my phone. My phone number is 8197168168. You can call me for any doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.